In this video, I'll show you how to set up Microsoft Forms. First, go to forms.office.com in your browser. Sign in with your Microsoft account. Once Microsoft Forms opens, click New Form. Give your form a title. You can also add a short description so people know what the form is for. Now click Add New. Choose the type of question you want to add. For example, you can add a choice question, text question, rating question, date question, or another option. Enter your question, then add the answers if needed. Repeat this for any other questions you want in the form. When you're ready, click Preview to see how the form will look. You can preview it on desktop or mobile. Once everything looks right, click Collect Responses. Choose who can respond to the form. Then copy the form link and share it. And that's it, you've now set up Microsoft Forms.